Hello beauties, good day and welcome back to the channel. This is Organic Skincare. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. So guys, I want to teach you this very super effective recipe today, how you can make this strong whitening face cream, illuminating whitening face cream. This face cream is super effective. Yeah, it's going to whiten up your skin. So guys, I don't want to waste much time. So to my old subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, so let's just go straight to the video. The first I have on my list here is your base cream, whitening base cream. You need 500 ml of your whitening base cream, very thick whitening base cream. And the second is your La face cream, La BSC face cream. You need 6. Then Fair tube, you need 3. Quick white, quick clear cream. It's a face cream. I'll put out the pictures for you guys to see. 6. Rapid white whitenizer serum, you need 2 bottles. Your glutathione injection tube, you need 2. Koji clear tube, you need 2. Lemovate tube, you need 2. This Lemovate helps with dark spots, dark areas. It works like fire. All right, let's continue. So you need an Edgard tube. You need 1. Eternity reaction tube. Then your whitener serum, you need 2 bottles. 42 hours oil, you need 2 bottles. Caro White face cream, Caro White BSC face cream, you need 5 pieces. Your Nature White BSC face cream, you need 3. Shenick Perfect Leg Stage 2, you need just half of the bottle. Then Gluta-C concentrate, you need 3, which is the pink, the orange colored one. Then your Zero Spot serum, you need